Ooh, it's cold.
Yes, it's very cold. Look.
Oh no, don't use that. It's dangerous. Be careful.
Hey, how about this?
Oh no, it has to be checked. And we make sure that it's not blocked. The smoke has to be able to ventilate.
Oh, I get it.
No, you shouldn't do that. Many people die every winter from using barbecue stoves or ovens to warm their homes.
Oh, okay, but it's still so
I'll
cold.
warm you up. Oh, come here.
It's still very cold. What can we do? Oh, what happened? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Yes, it is scary.
Gee, I'm sweating. It's so hot.
Yes, when it's extremely hot, you must wear loose, fitting like clothes. You should also wear a wide brim hat to protect you from the sun. And you should also drink.
Drink? Oh, I know. Here. Let's drink this.
Oh no, with this heat, you should avoid alcohol. It will make you lose more water and you'll be dehydrated.
You mean it'll make me sweat?
No, not from sweating.
Then how?
Drinking alcohol will make you lose water by having to pee a lot more.
Oh.
And besides, you're too young. During extreme heat, you should avoid drinking alcohol, avoid extreme exertion, and avoid rigorous exercise. And you should drink plenty of water. It is not safe to leave anyone in closed cars, even with the windows cracked open. So, never leave children, elderly people, or your pets. You should avoid going outdoors. You should stay indoors where there's air conditioning. Who likes shopping malls and libraries?
Yes, I understand.
Come on, here, take this. Go play with your toy car. Also, don't forget to help your neighbors. Find out if they need transportation or air conditioning. Remember to help each other. Stay safe.